I drove my brother-in-law to his court hearing over in Daytona, and it was the most pathetic display I have ever seen in my life. He was in trouble for running up a big bar tab a few months ago over at a place on the beach. He thought he'd met a hottie and was drinking her up all afternoon, and turns out she was a plant hired by the bar to get guys like him to run up big bar tabs. So he's figuring he's going to get 90 days. Now, he didn't have an attorney, so he just kind of pulled that number out of thin air somewhere. And when we get over there, I sit all the way in the back, very back row, right by the door, in case I need to make a quick getaway, because with this guy, you never know. Well, the judge calls him up first, like they're ready for him and ready to get this over with. And like I said, he was expecting maybe 30 days, maybe 90 days. It was way worse than that. The judge tells him they found an old warrant from 2009 for streaking. It was for nude in public, and he had never answered those charges. So the judge says 1 year in a work camp. Bam! Well, my brother-in-law loses it. He falls down on the ground, goes into the fetal position, and starts blubbering like a 3-year-old. So these bailiffs come over and try to pick him up, but he won't stand up. He just keeps holding his legs up. And so they had to get one on either side of him, pick him up as he held his legs to his chest, and they carried him off out of there. And I went and got in the car and went back home.